If you're building a new PC or upgrading your current rig, the motherboard is one of the most important pieces of the puzzle. It's the foundation of your build, and getting the right one can make all the difference in performance, stability, and future upgrades. In this video, we're diving into the best motherboards you can get right now, whether you're a hardcore gamer, content creator, or just want a fast and reliable setup. We've sorted through the specs, tested the features, and picked the ones that are actually worth your money. Let's get into it. Number 9. ASUS ROG Strix X870E Motherboard. The ROG Strix X870E is a powerhouse AM4 motherboard designed for serious gamers, content creators, and overclocking enthusiasts. Built around the robust AMD X570 chipset, it supports 3rd and 2nd Gen AMD Ryzen processors, delivering excellent performance with future-ready PCIe 4.0 support across its dual M.2 slots and multiple x16 PCIe lanes. It's ready for high-speed NVMe SSDs, multi-GPU setups with NVIDIA SLI and AMD Crossfire X, and up to 128 GB of DDR4 RAM, clocking up to 4400 MHz. Whether you're running demanding 4K editing software or a beastly rig, this board is more than capable of handling it all without bottlenecks. Connectivity and extras are where the X870E really flexes. You get dual LAN 2.5 gig and gigabit, integrated Intel Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.0, and a generous array of USB 3.2 Gen 2 ports, including Type-C, plus onboard HDMI 2.0 and DisplayPort for Ryzen APU users. Audio quality is also top tier thanks to the Supreme FX S1220A codec, Sonic Studio 3, and dual op amps. The aesthetics are on point with customizable AuraSync RGB lighting, durable safe slot reinforcement for GPUs, and a full suite of overclocking, cooling, and tuning options via 5-way optimization. All wrapped in a sleek ATX form factor, the ROG Strix X870E balances raw power and premium features for a high-end, future-ready build. Number 8. MSI MPG B650 Tomahawk Wi-Fi Motherboard. The AMD B650 chipset is built to support AMD's latest Ryzen 9000, 8000, and 7000 series processors on the advanced AM5 socket, delivering high-performance computing for content creation and productivity. This platform supports up to 256 gigabytes of DDR5 memory with overclocking capabilities reaching 7600 MHz plus, tailored for enthusiasts looking to push the limits. Integrated graphics, when supported by the CPU, include HDMI 2.1 for 4K at 60 Hz and DisplayPort 1.4 for up to 8K at 60 Hz, ideal for high-end displays. Expansion is handled via 2 PCIe x16 and 1 PCIe x1 slots with Gen 4.0, 3.0 support and bandwidth depending on the processor. For storage, the B650 offers 3 PCIe 4.0 x 4 M.2 slots, including 22.110 support and 6 SATA 6 gigabits per second ports, with RAID options for both SATA and NVMe. Audio is powered by the Realtek ALC4080 codec, delivering 7.1 channel HD sound with 32-bit at 384 kHz playback and SPDIF. Modern connectivity includes Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.3, a 2.5 gigabit LAN port, and a rich array of USB options, highlighted by a 20 gigabit per second USB-C port, plus multiple 10 gigabit and 5 gigabit ports. Internally, the B650 offers multiple fan headers, RGB connectors, TPM support, and dedicated tuning interfaces, perfect for custom PC builds. With support for Windows 11 and Windows 10, this chipset provides a strong, scalable foundation for next-gen Ryzen systems. Number 7. ASRock AMD B850M Steel Legend Motherboard. The ASRock B850M Steel Legend Wi-Fi 7 is a powerhouse micro ATX motherboard built for serious AMD builders aiming for cutting-edge performance. Designed to support Ryzen 9000, 8000, and 7000 series processors, this board delivers extreme productivity with PCIe Gen 5 support for both graphics and M.2 storage, plus blazing fast DDR5 memory support up to 8000 plus MHz MHz. With a robust 12+2+1 power phase design, high-quality DRMOS components, and enlarged heatsinks, it offers superior thermal control and long-term reliability. ASRock also integrates a flexible I/O shield and 20K rated black capacitors, reinforcing the board's durability and lifespan for hardcore users. Connectivity is a major highlight here. Wi-Fi 7 and 2.5G LAN provide ultra-fast networking, while features like BIOS flashback, ASRock's auto driver installer, and a post-status checker make setup and troubleshooting hassle-free. The board is loaded with modern audio and display outputs, HDMI 2.1, DisplayPort 1.4, USB 3.2 Gen 2 ports, and 3 high-speed N.2 slots, including a PCIe Gen 5 x4 slot for next-gen SSDs. Whether you're building a compact rig or a future-proof workstation, the B850M Steel Legend offers exceptional value and performance in a stylish, steel-armored package. Number 6. MSI MPG Z790 Tomahawk Motherboard. The Intel Z790 chipset motherboards are designed to unleash the full potential of Intel's 14th, 13th, and 12th Gen Core processors on the LGA 1700 socket. Built for enthusiasts and power users, these boards support up to 256 gigabytes of ultra-fast DDR5 memory, reaching overclocked speeds of 7800 MHz plus, depending on configuration. With robust memory tuning support via Intel XMP 3.0 and dual-channel architecture, users can expect top-tier bandwidth and performance in creative workloads and multitasking. For onboard graphics, the DisplayPort Type-C delivers crisp 4K at 60 Hz, provided you're using a compatible CPU with integrated graphics. Storage and connectivity are where the Z790 really shines. With 5 N.2 slots, including one PCIe 5.0x4 slot, 6 SATA ports, and RAID support across both SATA and NVMe SSDs, it's perfect for ultra-fast storage setups. Expansion is no issue either, with PCIe 5.0x16 and x8 slots, perfect for next-gen GPUs. Audiophiles will appreciate the ESS DAC-powered 7.1 channel audio, while dual Thunderbolt ports bring blazing 40 gigabits per second transfer speeds and support for up to 8K displays. Dual 2.5 gigabit LAN, Bluetooth 5.3, and a stack of USB 3.2 Gen 2 and Gen 2x2 ports round out this feature-packed platform, ready for extreme builds and future-proof performance. Number 5. GIGABYTE Z690 AORUS Ultra Motherboard. The GIGABYTE Z690 AORUS Ultra is a high-performance ATX motherboard built for Intel's 12th Gen Core processors on the LGA 1700 socket, offering next-gen computing with support for DDR5 memory, up to 128GB DDR5 6200 Plus OC, and PCIe 5.0 graphics cards. Its 16+1+2 phase-direct digital VRM with 105A smart power stages delivers robust power for heavy workloads and overclocking. Backed by an advanced thermal design with FINS Array 2 heatsinks, a direct touch heat pipe, and full coverage for VRMs and M.2 slots. Quad PCIe 4.0 N.2 slots, 6 SATA ports, and extensive RAID support provide ample storage options for gamers and creators. Connectivity is cutting edge, featuring Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, 2.5 GBE LAN, and a wide range of USB ports, including USB 3.2, Gen 2x2 Type-C on the rear I/O. The board also packs high-end audio with Realtek ALC 4080 codec and ESS Sabre DAC, delivering studio-grade 7.1 channel sound with support for 32-bit at 384 kHz playback. With SmartFan 6, RGB Fusion 2.0, QFlash Plus, BIOS updates without CPU, RAM, GPU, and reinforced PCIe slots, the Z690 AORUS Ultra is tailored for builders who demand performance, durability, and customization. Number 4. GIGABYTE X870E AORUS Pro ICE Motherboard. The X870E AORUS Pro ICE Motherboard is designed to deliver exceptional performance with a robust set of features for high-end and content creation. It supports the latest AMD Ryzen 7000 series processors on the AM5 socket, utilizing the X670E chipset to provide maximum PCIe 5.0 support for both GPU and storage devices. The motherboard boasts support for DDR5 memory with speeds of up to 6400 100 MHz and beyond, allowing for smooth multitasking and high-speed computing. It offers a total of 4 DIMM slots supporting up to 128 GB of memory, along with dual-channel architecture for enhanced performance. On the connectivity front, the X870E AORUS Pro Ice motherboard features cutting-edge options such as PCIe 5.0 for ultra-fast data transfer and multiple M.2 slots supporting PCIe 4.0 and SATA storage devices, along with RAID support for better storage configurations. It is equipped with Wi-Fi 6E for fast and reliable wireless communication, alongside Bluetooth 5.3 for seamless pairing with peripherals. The onboard Realtek ALC4080 audio codec supports 7.1-channel high-definition audio with enhanced sound clarity. Additionally, the board integrates advanced thermal solutions, including a full-cover heatsink design and fins array 2, ensuring optimal cooling during intense workloads. With comprehensive RGB lighting support, SmartFan 6 for customizable cooling profiles, and QFlash Plus for BIOS updates without requiring a CPU, the X870E AORUS Pro Ice is perfect for gamers and professionals who demand both performance and aesthetics in their build. Number 3. ASUS ROG Strix 870E Motherboard. The ROG Strix X870E Wi-Fi motherboard is designed to offer exceptional performance for high-end and content creation systems, featuring support for the latest AMD Ryzen 9000, 8000, and 7000 series desktop processors with the AM5 socket and X870E chipset. This motherboard is built for enthusiasts, offering up to 256 GB of DDR5 memory, supporting speeds up to 8000 plus MTS for Ryzen 9000 series processors. It also supports AMD extended profiles for overclocking and NitroPath DRAM technology, ensuring optimal memory performance. With 5x M.2 slots and 4x SATA 6 gigabit ports, users can configure extensive storage options, including RAID support for fast and secure data management. The PCIe 5.0x16 slot ensures compatibility with the latest high-speed GPUs, offering enhanced graphics and processing power. Equipped with the latest connectivity options, the ROG Strix X870E Wi-Fi features Wi-Fi 7 with up to 6.5 gigabits per second transfer rates over the 2.4, 5, and 6 GHz bands, along with Bluetooth V5.4 for wireless peripherals. Its rear I/O includes 2x USB 4, 40 gigabits per second Type-C ports, 1x USB 20 gigabytes per second Type-C port, and 10x USB 10 gigabytes per second ports, providing ample connectivity for a variety of devices. The ROG Supreme FX 7.1 surround sound high-definition audio codec ALC4080 delivers immersive audio quality for media consumption. Designed for enthusiasts, the motherboard integrates ASUS Q design features like M.2 Q latch and Q code for easy installation and troubleshooting. The advanced ASUS thermal solution, including M.2 heatsinks and VRM heatsink design, ensures stable performance even under heavy loads. Whether you're building a rig or a high-performance workstation, the ROG Strix X870E Wi-Fi provides the reliability and power you need. Number 2. MSI MPG X870E Motherboard. Engineered for peak next-gen performance, the AMD X870E motherboard delivers the ultimate foundation for gamers and content creators running AMD Ryzen 9000, 8000, or 7000 series desktop processors. With an AMD 5 socket and robust DDR5 support up to 8400 plus MTS, it unlocks blazing fast memory performance across a variety of DIMM configurations. Ideal for demanding applications and multitasking. Dual PCIe 5.0x16 slots, 4 high-speed M.2 slots including 2 PCIe Gen 5, and comprehensive RAID support allow for maximum bandwidth and storage flexibility. A single HDMI 2.1 output and dual USB 4 Type-C ports with DisplayPort 1.4 enable 8K and 4K visuals, provided your Ryzen CPU includes integrated graphics. Connectivity and durability are equally top tier, featuring Realtek 5G and 2.5G LAN, Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.4 for ultra-fast wireless networking. The motherboard is packed with modern conveniences like easy debug LEDs, BIOS flashback, and a smart button for seamless system management. Audio is handled by the high-performance Realtek ALC4080 codec, supporting 7.1 channel output and 32-bit at 384 kHz playback. USB support is extensive, ranging from legacy USB 2.0 up to USB 4, 40 GB per second Type-C, ensuring high-speed data transfers across all peripherals. With high-end power delivery, integrated RGB headers, and advanced overclocking tools like AMD Expo, the X870E sets a new standard in AM5 motherboard innovation. Number 1. ASRock Z890 Taichi AQUA Motherboard. Redefining high-end motherboard engineering, the ASRock Z890 Taichi AQUA is a next-gen flagship platform built for Intel Core Ultra Series 2 processors on the LGA 1851 socket. Designed with a revolutionary hybrid cooling solution, it's the world's first to feature a detachable VRM and M.2 water block, ideal for custom loop builders aiming for elite thermals and performance. It also sets a connectivity milestone with a full USB Type-C rear I/O layout, including Thunderbolt 4 ports offering blazing 40 GB per second transfer speeds. PCIe Gen 5 support for graphics and dual Gen 5 N.2 slots ensure maximum throughput, while 28 plus 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus 1 SPS power faces with 110A for the vCore delivers server-grade stability. DDR5 memory support up to 9600 plus MHz and a flexible I/O shield make it a true benchmark setter in enthusiast-class motherboards. Packed with premium features, the Z890 Taichi AQUA excels in speed, stability, and future-ready integration. It includes dual LAN options, Marvell 10G and Realtek 5G, paired with Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.4 for ultimate networking flexibility. The ESS Sabre 9219 DAC, Nahimic Audio Suite, and WIMA front capacitors offer studio-grade sound output. Storage options are extensive, with up to 6 M.2 slots, 2 Gen 5, 3 Gen 4, and 1 combo SATA Gen 4, and RAID support across both SATA and NVMe. A rich rear I/O with BIOS flashback and clear CMOS and 8K Thunderbolt graphics makes this EATX board a content creators and overclockers' dream. Tune in to Legit Pick for a full hands-on look at this industry-leading motherboard. Whether you're chasing maximum performance, future-proof features, or the perfect balance for your next gaming or creative powerhouse, there's a board on this list with your name on it. These aren't just specs on paper, they're the heart of your build, and picking the right one means smoother gameplay, faster renders, and fewer upgrade headaches down the line. Remember, the motherboard is the heart of your PC build, so make sure to choose one that aligns with your needs, whether that's top-tier performance, smooth content creation, or just an upgrade to keep your rig ahead of the curve. Thanks for tuning in to this roundup of the best motherboards. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more honest tech breakdowns. Catch you in the next one, and build smart, build strong.